Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to show you how you can create a beautiful thank you page inside of WordPress using Thrive Architect. So, what you want to do first is, if you don't have Thrive Architect, to go check out the link in the description and get it, because for this specific tutorial you will need it. And in case you have it, let's go to the tutorial. So to create your thank you page, what you want to do first is to go to pages. Okay, in pages we're going to create a new page. So add new, and let's put a name for this thank you page. Let's say, let's wait a little bit. Okay, thank you page example. Okay, so as you can see here below, there is the bottom of Thrive Architect. Once you get Thrive Architect, you will have this same bottom here. And what you want to do is to click it. And right now, we're going to go to the editing part, where I'm going to be designing this beautiful thank you page in very fast, in less than 5-10 minutes max. Once it's ready, you will have two options: going to the normal page or a pre-built landing page. I always pick this one because it allows you to create a design from scratch. And in here, the beauty of Thrive Architect is that it also includes templates that can help you build your sales process. So as you can see here, Chick Smart has 7 pages, Consultant Smart 4 pages, and in here you have more designs. So you can pick whichever you want. For this example, I will pick this one. And as you can see here, I have 3 pages inside of Click Journalist, sales page, confirmation, and general. If I want to design a thank you page, which normally goes after that the person who visited a landing page took a desired action, that person will be redirected to this page. So just have to click here, and in this template that we have, I can edit as I want. I can start from scratch and can make tweaks to the template that I have. I can add anything I want. So that's the beauty of Thrive Architect, that it allows you to design everything that you have in your mind in a very simple, very easy way. And for your sales process, to create a high converting funnel, to create a high converting website, this tool is amazing because it allows you to create a landing page, thank you page, sales page, and you can build the email sequence process with your email autoresponder. So let's go with the tutorial. So first, what you want to do here is, as you can see here, this template is very simple. What you want to do is always to include your logo. You can edit the background, but I will stick with white. I will put the logo of my business. So let's put logo. Okay, logo. And I will put the logo above the title. So that's it. I don't want this background, don't want this image. And for this, you can put it in the middle. I always like to put the logo in the middle. So let's go with this. Looks good. Thank you for signing up. In this case, if the person who reaches this thank you page, I will imagine that they came from one of my landing pages, one of the landing pages where I give away a free lead magnet, in this case a free ebook. So let's make some text for the free ebook. Thank you for signing up. Your ebook with the 3 top secrets to get more clients online is in the way to your inbox. Okay, in this way, you're telling the person the next step that you have to take from here is to go and check out your email, because in there you will find the ebook. Okay, thank you for signing up. Okay, then you have this logo. You can change it. I like it. I don't like that. And then Also, a great thing that you can do on a thank you page is adding the next steps, okay? Or inviting people to follow you on Facebook, to follow you on YouTube. Knowing that way, you kill two birds with one shot. Okay, so let's invite people. I also want to invite you to follow me on Instagram and YouTube, to follow me on Instagram and YouTube for more daily valuable internet marketing content. Okay, and now let's delete this. Let's make this smaller. This is too big, I think. And now I want to include the icons for YouTube and for Instagram, since I inviting them to follow me there. So let's pick Instagram. As you can see, that's the beauty as well. You can put any logo you want. Very easy, very simple. Okay, let's put it in white. And now copy it and let's put it right and the YouTube. Okay, it's always good to have this in a thank you page, so I highly recommend you to do that as well. Jesus Christ, where is this? Okay, and I see that they are too small, so let's put it 92. Okay, maybe this could go inside or up above this. Okay, I can include a picture of me here. Let's put a picture to make it more personal. You can also add videos, you can add whatever you want, but in this case I will put a picture of me just as this is a sequence. Okay, so let's insert this picture. Okay, and behind here depends what you want to have. It can be plain, it can have an image like the one behind me. It's up to you. I don't like to have that. The thank you page has to be simple, very easy to use. Okay, thank you for signing up. Your ebook let's see, the 3 secrets. Okay, let's make this part a little smaller. Yep, that looks better. The image of me. I also want to invite you if you want to connect. Then you will have to include the links of your Instagrams, of course. So you can do here in the action, insert a link, instagram.com/e-commerce underdog. Okay, beautiful. Save it and do the same. With YouTube. Now youtube.com, and then you just include the link of your YouTube channel. Okay, so you can see very easy, very simple. And before you save work and go away and finish your thank you page, you have to check and see if the thank you page looks good on mobile, because the dimensions change. So what you want to do here is to change sizes. Okay, maybe for the mobile version this size is better. The letters here will look better if they are smaller because they are too big. Thank you for signing up. I think that is good. Your ebook is went to your inbox. Make it smaller. Oh, as you can see here, the height is too much. Height is too much. One that is in place. This is too big as well. Let's put it 14. The logos are also too big, in my opinion. Let's make it 50. 50 for the mobile version, and that's it. I don't think. Poof. Okay, and now the thank you page is also ready for the mobile version. Okay, let's preview it again, and I think I will change this image below here. No. No. Yeah, I think that's it. So now you save work, and let's preview this beautiful thank you page. As you can see, very fast, very easy. You can do it, and you can edit as you want. If you want to change the background, if you wanted to make it all black or your own color, you can do it in background style. As you can see, there is an image here. Erase the image. Solid color, just change the color to whatever color you want. Okay, in this case I will go with black. Apply, save work, and now let's go and see the preview. Okay, and you will see how the preview looks really good, really nice. For this version, this is the page that whenever someone reaches to your landing page, enters their information, they will end up here, and then your email sequence will start. Okay, but in here you will tell them to check out their inbox, to follow you on social media. You can also include the next steps you want them to take so that they get the most of your lead magnet, your free offer, and that you get a better first impression. So that's a thank you page. That's how you can create it using Thrive Architect. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple. You can drag and drop tools. You can include images, icons, logos, templates, videos inside. So it is complete. It is very great alternative. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check out Thrive Architect. And also if you need someone that helps you build your sales process, which includes your landing page, your thank you page, your email sequence, and your sales page, meaning that all this process will help you convert more people, more leads into customers by providing value and helping them along the way. I want to invite you to schedule a call with me. I will leave the link of my sales page in the description so that you can check out and learn what I do in more detail. How can I help your business out? And also schedule a call if you want to talk one-on-one and see if we can work together. So the invitation is there. Hope you find this video valuable. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. And with nothing more to say, remember, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making things happen. And I'll see you in the next one.